everyone, I'm Zoe the Car Girl, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change your wiper blades. Let's get into the video.
In today's video, I'm going to be using hyper blades in sizes 28 and 14 inches. So before we do anything, we need to make sure our windscreen is clean. So all you need to do is pop up your windscreen wipers and grab some glass cleaner. I'm using the Auto Glim Fast Glass and just a microfiber cloth to make sure your windscreen is all beautiful and clear. So to remove your old windscreen wiper, all you need to do is lift them up and look for the button that's located on the top, and then just press down the button and it should pop up just like that, and then it can just be easily removed. Hyperblade is great because all of their wiper blades come with universal attachments, so there should be one to fit your car, and I went with attachment C because that was the closest one to my wiper blade. Then all you need to do is grab your biggest wiper blade, which mine was a 28-inch one, and grab your attachment, and it should just click into place. So if you just press it down, it should click, and then it has a little bit of movement, obviously, when your wiper blades move up and down, and then you are ready to attach it. And then to attach it, all you need to do is make sure you line it up, push it down, and it should click in, and it's as simple as that. You then need to repeat exactly the same process as the other wiper blade. So you just need to grab your smaller one, which mine was a 14-inch one, find exactly the same attachment, which was attachment C, and then you're ready to fit that one. So again, simply line it up and push it down. Finally, all you need to do is remove the protective films from your wiper blades and hop into your car and make sure everything is fitted securely. And now you have a beautiful, smear-free, streak-free windscreen.
Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please feel free to give me a follow and let me know down in the comments below what else you'd like to learn. See you in the next one. Bye!